The H1 has Zoom's renowned recording technology, yet it's their easiest recorder to use. Like all Zoom recorders, the H1's onboard microphones are configured in an XY pattern for stunning stereo imaging. The unit is also equipped with an internal reference speaker for instant playback. The H1's newly designed user experience puts all its functions at your fingertips, with absolutely no menus required. With its USB 2.0 port, the H1 allows for the transfer of your audio files to your computer. From there, you can listen, edit, and share them on your Mac or PC. Everything you need to get started recording is included. The recorder accepts up to 32 GB micro SDHC cards. In addition, a AA battery is included. The H1 is one piece of gear you'll want to take everywhere, from musical performances, rehearsals, and songwriting sessions, to podcasting, journalism, and electronic news gathering, educational as well as legal, business, and medical field use, or capturing audio for video applications. To take your recording to a new level, we included an accessory pack and headphones. Brilliant stereo recording, now in your pocket. Zoom's H1 Handy Recorder.